Today's Wednesday, that traditional hump day when energy levels start to flag a little. Whether you're working from home or the office, we've got you covered with healthy, high energy dishes that'll help you power through the day. Get your day off to a good start with some homemade energy balls. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a mid-morning snack, these little powerhouses have just a handful of ingredients: peanut butter, oatmeal, flaxseed, honey and a little sugar-free chocolate if you feel like a midweek pick-me-up. Supercharge your lunch with a colourful protein bowl packed with nature's nutrition superstars, including quinoa, butternut squash, avocado and beans. Get creative with your lunch and add a handful of nuts or a little of that leftover chicken from last night's supper. Once you've made it through your Wednesday working day, celebrate the slide into the weekend with a satisfying simple supper of veggie-packed chickpea pasta. Get your creamy kick with some fresh feta or any dairy-free alternative. Check out our special ebook for a full ingredient list and easy step-by-step instructions for making these simple, wholesome meals to help keep you healthy during your working week. Remember, Allianz Care's mission is to keep you well, whatever your working week looks like and wherever you are in the world.